Look, everyone in this room has felt it. The pressure, the frustration, the grind of trying to do something real with impact investing while the old system keeps choking innovation like a noose tightening every day. You're stuck in a loop where sustainable is just a buzzword plastered on products nobody really believes in. The supply chains we rely on? Broken beyond repair, built for short-term gain and massive waste, the exact opposite of what should power real change. It's exhausting watching good money flow into projects that claim to be green but only greenwash the status quo, while actual system-level reinvention gets ignored or dismissed. Now, imagine ripping that cycle apart, not tweaking it, not polishing the surface, but flipping the whole thing upside down with a circular supply chain. That's the real deal. The kind of supply chain where waste is eliminated by design because everything feeds into something else. Raw materials loop back instead of ending up in a landfill. Products are built to last and be reused, repaired, repurposed. This isn't some distant dream or pie-in-the-sky theory. It's happening right now, and it's poised to shake markets bigger than clean energy ever did. But here's the painful truth. Half of you watching are convinced it's too complicated, too risky, or that the returns won't justify the headaches. You're wrong. The real risk is sitting on the sidelines, investing in what's familiar and watching entire sectors lose relevance or face collapse because they ignore supply chain circularity. Look at the data, or better, the real-world signals. Material scarcity, rising costs, regulatory crackdowns. The old industrial world is bleeding money. The new circular economy isn't just ethical, it's massively profitable because it's built for real resilience. Here's what needs to happen. First, stop thinking about supply chains as linear get-and-throw systems. That mindset is dead. You have to get obsessed with system redesign, partners, processes, incentives. Ask this brutally. Who in your chain is just a resource drain and who is a true collaborator in circular value? Cut out the weak links, or better, transform them into circular players. Next, push your portfolio companies to adopt modular design in products. Modular means every part can be repaired or upgraded without tossing the whole thing. This reduces waste, cuts costs, and builds customer loyalty through tangible durability. Modular is the new black. Don't stop at products. Demand transparency through technology, blockchain, IoT sensors, whatever it takes to track materials, prove recyclability, and verify impact. No more vague claims or greenwashing. Data drives trust here, and trust drives investment. If you can prove the circle closes, capital will pour in. Finally, bet on localizing supply chains as much as possible. Less distance means fewer emissions, tighter control, and a much stronger ability to innovate quickly on circular practices. Global is great, but local circular ecosystems are where concrete change happens fast. If you get these steps right, you're not just chasing returns, you're creating a fortress against disruption, a future-proof business model that regulators, customers, and markets will demand. The world's attention is shifting, painfully and abruptly, to circularity, and the real winners will be those who don't just hear the buzz, but execute aggressively, ruthlessly, right now. The opportunity here is brutal. Either lean into this transformation fully, or watch your investments become stranded like fossil fuels in a solar future. Stop waiting for perfect policies or some grand movement. This is on you. Build the networks, push your founders, pioneer circular models that unlock hidden assets instead of destroying value as usual. Connect deeply with the few players ready to do this hard work, and you'll create momentum that no old-school investor or corporate board could stop. If you want impact investing to matter beyond the buzz, it's time to obsess over circular supply chains like your returns depend on it. Because they do. This isn't just another angle. It's the key to unlocking sustainable value at a level you've never seen before. Don't waste another dollar chasing yesterday's solutions. Move fast, push hard, build circles, not lines. The next boom is here, and it's going to leave the slow and doubtful in the dust. Don't be one of them. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and open the featured link to learn more.